Hello friends, today I'll show you how to import picture on your adobe animate. Then you can use your animation purpose. I will just show you dummy image just for show you. So alright, I will just show you two method. First method is you can just drag and drop here. For example, if you want to use the Apple App Store logo, you can just drag here. Another method, if you want to use the Animate image with another method, then you can go to the file and select the import, then import to library, right? Then you can choose your icon. For example, I will import this one, I mean Google Play Store. Then if you look at the library panel, this is the library panel. If you don't see the library panel, then you can go to the library and just enable here. Now it's disabled. Make sure before start the work this window enable, then you can go to the window and library, then it come. Then if you want to use which images on your animation, then you can just drag and drop here, that is coming. Alright, thank you for the watching. Stay with me for the another video. Thank you.